Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Now let us learn addition of fractional numbers. Now in this addition, if you have the same denominator, how do we add? That's what we are going to look at now. Addition of fractional numbers. Addition of fractional numbers. That's what we're going to do now. Now, when we have the numerator different, but the denominator is common, then addition is easy. Now, let's say, for example, you say 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Here we have the denominator same. So you put down the new denominator. Then when the denominators are same, you simply add the numerator. So numerator is 3 and 2 plus 2. You simply add the numerators and you get the addition. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 7, and that's your answer. So that's what we mean by addition of fraction with the same denominators. When it is same denominators, it's very, very easy. Okay, now let us work on find the sum. Okay, we are going to find the sum. Okay, all right. Now, here, okay, now, the first sum is 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. What must we do now? When we have the denominator same, you simply put the denominator, you add only the numerator. What is the numerator? You have 1 and then plus 2. 1 plus 2. What did we learn? In addition of fractional numbers, if the denominators are same, you simply add the numerators. Now, 1 plus 2 is 3 and you put the denominator. Now, this is your answer. This is your answer. Shall we do another sum? Yeah. Next, if we say 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6. We have here 5 by 6 and 1 by 6. Now when we have 5 by 6 and 1 by 6, now look at it very carefully. We have the denominator same. And what did we say? We simply add the numerator 5 plus 1. What is 5 plus 1? Is 6. Now, in this sum, you have 6 by 6. What is 6 by 6? That is 1 whole. What is 6 by 6? We say that is 1 whole. You can also write it as 1 whole. This is your answer. Okay, next sum. Let's say 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10. Here again the denominators are same. Then the numerator you have 4 plus 3 and that will go to give you what is 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 is 7 and the denominator is 10 and that's your answer. Okay, now let's work out few more sums. Okay, the next sum we have 3 by 8 plus 4 by 8. Now how do we do that? We have the denominators are same, so put the denominator and the numerators we simply add, that is 3 and plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? That gives us the answer. 3 plus 4 is 7 and then we put the denominator 8 and that gives us the answer. Okay, let's work out another sum. Okay, 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6. So we're going to add 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Again here, the denominators are same. You simply put in the denominator and you add the numerators. What is it? 2 plus 3. Okay, and that gives us the answer. Now, what is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is 5 and our denominator is 6. And that's the answer. Alright, let's work out another sum. Four by 7 plus 2 by 7. Here, denominator is same, 7. You have to add what? The numerator. In the numerator, you have 4 plus 2 plus 2. What is 4 plus 2? 6. Denominator is 7 and that's your answer. Alright, now let's take another number. We have here 5 by 12 plus 4 by 12. 12 is the denominator. Now what do? We add the numerator, that is 5 plus 4. What is 5 plus 4? 5 plus 4 is 9. Your denominator is 12. And you get the answer. That is your answer. What did we learn today? We learned today addition of fractional numbers when the denominators are the same. When the denominators are the same, you simply put in the denominator, numerator, you add them, and that gives you the answer. But in this case, when the denominator is same and when we add, you get the numerator, denominator same, then we say that is one whole. Not one, it is one whole. Today we learn to add the fractional numbers. When you add the fractional number, you have to put in, write the new denominator, put in the numerator 1 plus 2 and you get the answer. In every case, you put in the denominator, then take the numerator, put 4 plus 3, you get the answer. Again here, even if the denominator is big, but the denominators are same, you just look at the numerator, then you add on 5 plus 4 and you get you the answer. 5 plus 2, 4 is 9. In addition of fraction, all we need to remember is 2. 1, to see that if the denominators are same, simply add the numerators.